Alright, hey, what's up guys? Today we're here with the Hardbody. Got a lot of snow where I'm at. Just kind of letting it melt before I was able to make a good video. But I kind of wanted to just make an update on the Hardbody of what's been going on. After they stole my battery, I replaced the battery. Got me a new battery. Got me a new alternator. New starter. Went to the junkyard, got a fusible link. Still nothing. It just kicks over. So I'm not too sure what's going on, guys. I'm gonna set up the camera here for you in a minute, show you what's going on with the Hardbody. But yeah guys, I'm not able to get it started yet. My brother helped me push it into the yard. It was in the street for a while. It's just been cold, been freezing my ass. Like I said, we've had a lot of snow where I'm at, so I'm finally able to make a video. Finally able to get out here. It's really cold right now, but I just wanted to make this quick update to let you guys know what was going on with the Hardbody. So I'm gonna set you guys up now here in a second. I'm gonna crank it over and we'll see what's going on, guys. See if anybody has any kind of ideas or it kicked over. It actually fired over, but for some reason it's not wanting to stay on. I may change out the fuel pump relay here. I'm not even sure if that's what it is, but I got an extra one from the junkyard. But as you guys can see what it was doing, so if anybody has any ideas of anything that I should look at or should replace, throw it down in the comments. Try to help me out. Let's try to get the Hardbody back on the road, guys, get it running right. But I'm pretty happy with what I just saw right now. So try to help me out, guys, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, guys.